Today, I'll walk you through how to merge Google Docs into one, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to combine multiple documents seamlessly so you can streamline your workflow and keep your projects organized. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Docs. You can do this by typing Google Docs into your search engine or directly visiting the Google Docs website. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, you have two options. You can either create a new blank document or click on an existing document that you want to use as your main file. This is like choosing the canvas for your artwork. Next, look for the Extensions tab in the menu at the top of the page. Click on it. This is where you'll find the tools to enhance your document. After clicking on Extensions, you'll see an option for Add-ons. Go ahead and click that. Think of add-ons as the extra tools in your toolbox that help you get the job done more efficiently. Now click on Get Add-ons. This will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can find various tools to enhance your Google Docs experience. It's like browsing a store for the perfect gadget. In the search bar, type Merge Docs Pro. This is the add-on we'll be using to merge your documents. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be similar. Once you find Merge Docs Pro, click on the Install button. This is like adding a new app to your phone. It will help you accomplish your task more easily. After the installation is complete, click on Done. This confirms that the add-on is ready to use. Now exit the Google Workspace Marketplace to return to your document. You're almost there. To start merging documents, click on Extensions again. This is where you'll access the newly installed tool. Next, select Merge Multiple Docs into one. Here, you can configure your desired settings for how you want the documents to merge. Think of this as setting the parameters for a recipe before you start cooking. Finally, once you've configured everything, you should be able to merge your documents right inside your existing document. This is where all your hard work pays off, and you see everything come together. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.